सब्सक्राइब करें, प्रेस करें बेल आइकॉन और पाएं मुंबई, नवी मुंबई एवं बॉलीवुड की ताजा तरीन खबरें।
The novel coronavirus pandemic has emerged as the greatest crisis of the decade, claiming over 153,822 lives across the globe. The pandemic has escalated itself, turning countries like the United States, Italy, Spain, and India as hotspot destinations of the virus. Famous and eminent personalities have fallen prey to the outbreak of this coronavirus infection, mainly including songwriters, singers, and chefs. Here is a list of some globally recognized personalities who lost their lives succumbing to the coronavirus pandemic. Nirmal Singh Khalsa, and highly regarded former Hazuri Ragi of the Golden Temple, Nirmal Singh Khalsa, aged 67, succumbed to the coronavirus infection which resulted in his unfortunate demise. Nirmal Singh Khalsa was a Padma Shri awardee who hailed from the village of Varka in Amritsar. Adam Schlesinger, American singer, Grammy Award winner, and Foundation of Wayne band member, late Adam Schlesinger rose to fame with his popular hit Stacy's Mom in the year 2003. His soundtrack Work Crazy Ex-Girlfriend and A Colbert Christmas gained him glory and appreciation. He succumbed to the complications of the coronavirus illness and died at the age of 52 due to the virus. Schlesinger scored 3 Emmys and was nominated for the Oscars and the Golden Globe for writing the catchy song That Thing You Do from the movie titled the same. Andrew Jack, Star Wars actor Andrew Jack, aged 76, died in Britain as a result of the coronavirus infection. Andrew Jack was a skilled actor as well as a dialect coach. He played the role of Major Emmett in the Star Wars movies. Andrew Jack worked and was associated with other Hollywood greats like Christian Bale and Robert Downey Jr. He has also been recognized in movies like Sherlock Holmes, Lord of the Rings, and Men in Black. Joe Diffie, a Grammy Award-winning country music singer, aged 61, died of complications arising due to the coronavirus pandemic. His death occurred just 2 days after he announced that he had been tested for COVID-19. Joe Diffie was popular for his overwhelming string of hits in the 90s like Pick Up Man, Third Rock from the Sun, and John Diddy Green. Alan Merrill, rockstar Alan Merrill, who was part of the famous band The Arrows, also died due to complications arising from the coronavirus pandemic. The guitarist, vocalist, and songwriter Alan Merrill was popular for co-writing and singing the original version of the hit I Love Rock and Roll. Aged 69, Alan Merrill died after becoming vulnerable to the virus. His demise was reported by his daughter Laura Merrill. Mark Blum, a veteran actor known as the off-Broadway star, was recognized for his perfectly suited roles in Desperately Seeking Susan and Crocodile Dundee. Mark Blum, aged 69, died from complications associated with COVID-19. His demise was reported by his wife Janet Zarish. Floyd Cardoz, the famous Indian-born American chef, was globally known and noted for his victory in Top Chef Masters in 2011 and for his restaurants Pav Wala and Tabla in the New York City. Chef Floyd Cardoz was the co-owner of the Bombay Canteen and O Pedro, the 2 popular restaurants in Mumbai. Cardoz, aged 60, died after testing positive for coronavirus. Ken Shimura, comedian Ken Shimura was renowned for his slapstick humor, physical comedy, and naive persona, which made him a household name in Japan for decades. Ken was known as Japan's Robin Williams. Generations of children grew up watching his comedy, skits, and dance routines. He died at age 70 on March 30 due to complications arising out of the coronavirus pandemic. Terence McNally. Terence McNally was a 5-time Tony Award recipient and a prolific playwright whose plays often featured explorations of contemporary gay life and a reverence for classical music. He died on March 24, being a victim of the coronavirus pandemic. Lee Fierro. Actress Lee Fierro was best known for starring as Mrs. Kintner in Steven Spielberg's cult creature feature Jaws, a classical film made in 1975. Lee was a scene stealer and a phenomenally good actress. Aged 91, Lee died of complications due to the coronavirus pandemic. Maria Teresa. Princess Maria Teresa of Bourbon Parma in Spain, well known for her work as an activist and her outspoken views, led her to being given the name of Red Princess. Aged 86, Spain's Princess Maria Teresa succumbed to COVID-19, being the first royal to die of the virus. Jay Benedict. Jay Benedict was best known for playing Roose Jordan in James Cameron's 1986 release Aliens and The Dark Knight Rises. Aged 68, the actor tragically passed away after suffering complications from the coronavirus pandemic. Bureau Report, NMTV News.